Well, it's Friday morning. The block masons have been busy. Most of the walls are going up. So a couple of comments about doing block walls down here in Florida. So you notice the holes at the bottom. See the holes down there? That's where the rebar was put in the footing. It ran up through the stem wall. It gets tied to that. It runs all the way up that block, and it'll go all the way up to the top. And then you can see we do cast in place columns. Those are to support the door, or the opening over the entry door. You can see the holes everywhere in the bottom. So those all have to be inspected. Then I'll put plywood over them. And when they pour that tie beam, which is what you see formed up there, that's the form for the tie beam. When they pour that, they'll fill all those cells going all the way down. So in essence, what we're building are literally concrete homes. So again, when you see the hurricanes coming, we don't worry. Most of the time, everybody wants to know who's going to host the party. So it's a great system. However, it is expensive. So I'll check back once we get all the tie beams formed up, and we'll get you a better look at it all.